Hi dear students, welcome to Gallant IAS. So today I'm here to give you an idea regarding the Gallant IAS new initiative, that is Gallant CSAT Crash Course 2023. So guys, now let me give you an idea regarding the course. So the course is actually a 2-month course, and within this 2 months we'll be covering the majority of the topics based on CSAT, and of course you will be getting a test series. So you can practice this test series and you can get the regular feedback from your faculty, and of course the faculty will be very helpful for you, and of course he will be discussing your problems with you, and you can improve. Yes, I know your concern. You may be thinking like, is it possible to cover this much topic within the span of 2 months? Yes, it is. Come on, I will explain. Okay guys, these are the syllabus for CSAT. So here, if you're looking onto each and every topics in this syllabus, and if you are checking these topics individually, you can see that each and every topic have certain subtopics. For example, take the case of basic numeracy. Basic numeracy consists of many small topics like averages, percentages, ratios and proportions. So it is a tedious task to study each and every topic separately, right? And in a very deeper manner. So we need a smart strategy here, right? So guys, what is that smart strategy? The smart strategy is nothing but we had looked on to the previous year question, we scrutinized it, and we understood certain topics that had been frequently asked by UPSC. So we had given more importance to those topics in our course, and that is more than sufficient to get that 33% of marks for your CSAT. Okay guys, so if you have a constant preparation mentality as well as a good strategy of preparing for CSAT, then I'm sure that you're gonna clear this paper very easily, very smoothly, right? Okay guys, so for more details about this course, please visit gallantias.com. You can download Gallant IAS app from the Play Store, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content based on UPSC. Okay guys, all the best for your exam.